So this workshop, basically if you see, it is about minimal access surgery, the heart surgery which is done with a very small incision. So that is going to greatly benefit all the patients, because one is pain and blood loss. These two things which are very important in any surgery. One is pain, another is loss of blood. Both these are minimized to a very low extent, almost very minimal pain and minimal blood loss. Second advantage is very fast recovery, so patient gets discharged fast. He can resume his normal life activities like going to work or driving or doing exercise, all these things much faster than compared to the normal bypass surgeries or normal valve replacement surgeries. So this knowledge we want to share by calling all the surgeons who are not aware of these things and showing them a demonstration live. Two surgeries are going to be shown live, and there is one surgeon coming from America, another surgeon coming from Singapore, and then our Dr. Gokhale. Three of them will be doing the surgeries, and then they will be addressing the audience and sharing the knowledge with them. So this sort of live surgery workshops have worked a lot. If you see, in the last 2 years, more than 25 workshops we have done in various districts. 3 or 4 we have done in Hyderabad. Then in every district, almost covering the entire state, Telangana area also, and outside in the Andhra districts also. In all the districts we have gone and done these live surgery workshops, wherein our surgeons, team of surgeons, will be operating here in the operation theatre in the Yashoda Hospital in Hyderabad, and simultaneously live we will be telecasting to 1, sometimes 2, sometimes 3 places simultaneously in different places. Live satellite telecast, web telecast we were doing, and the surgeons used to interact with the operating surgeon and ask questions. So this sort of knowledge sharing is very important, and that we have been doing consistently. Every 2 months we are doing one live surgery workshop and covering various specialties, not only the heart. So that is about the workshop. Then the improvements which we are doing, if you see in any hospital, 3 most important things. One is the infrastructure, the buildings and the space. Second is the technology and the equipments, the machinery. Third is the expertise of the people, the persons. So if you see, already the building is big, but still we are expanding. Another same size, another building is coming. Like that in Somajugoda Yashoda also, if you see, we are expanding and new buildings are coming up. So infrastructure and facility wise, we are trying to expand and make it the largest in the entire state. Second, if you see the technology and equipment, previously some machines always used to be available in the West, in America and Singapore. Later, after 10 years, 15 years, in India it used to come. Now it is not like that. 1 year, 6 months, by the time they are having it, we are also having. Some of the machines like our Rapid Arc in the entire Asia, we were the first to procure. And some machines, even before it gets installed in the US, CT scan machines, we have bought it. Dual source CT scans, high definition MRI. At the same time as in Europe and America, we are getting the same sort of machines here and doing these tests at a very low rate. If you see the MRI or CT scan cost in America, it will be 10 times, 15 times more than what we charge the patient here. Sometimes people who come for vacation from there, they are coming and then doing all the tests here, getting good quality pictures and reports, and they are going back happily. So infrastructure and equipment wise, we are never leaving, not second to anybody. And third most important thing is expertise of people like Dr. Gokhale. Even when young doctors, when we are recruiting and when we are taking and putting into the hospital, we are seeing what is their training, from which institution they have done. Central institutions are there, like PGI in Chandigarh, then there is All India Institute in Delhi, Christian Medical College Vellore, Armed Forces Medical College Pune, JIPMER in Pondicherry, St. John's. This sort of institutions are there where the training is very good. And then there are a lot of medical colleges where the training is not so good, and there are certain places like Central Institutes where the training is very good. So we are concentrating on the Central Institute people and taking them when they are young, and then they grow with the institution. Once they gain experience, then they are able to share that experience to others, and then all the doctors improve in their knowledge. So one such person with huge amount of experience is Dr. Gokhale, who has already completed the 2 lung transplants and then is going to do heart transplant also shortly. So this sort of surgeon, we are very happy to have him associated with our hospital, and he has been conducting this live workshop every year. Now this is the 3rd year consecutively in which he is doing this minimal access surgery live workshop. So I congratulate the team of CT surgery, Dr. Gokhale especially, for having initiated this, and wish the workshop all success, and thank you very much.